Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to my class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss another topic of operations on set, which is difference of two sets. As you know, we have already discussed two operations on sets, union of set and intersection of sets. So today we are going to discuss difference of two sets. First, let's see the definition of difference of two sets. The difference of two sets denoted by A minus B. Here we have two sets A and B, and we have to find the A minus B means A difference B. Similarly, you can find B minus A. So it's very simple. We have to find all the elements that are in set A but not in set B. Let's understand it with the help of example. An example, find A minus B and B minus A. Here we have set A in which elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 10, and set B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. So we are going to find A minus B. First of all, we will write A minus B on left hand side, then write equal, and after equal sign fill the value according to the left side. Like first we have set A and then symbol of difference minus and then write set B. Difference of A minus B means A minus B is that we have to write all the elements of set A that are not present in set B. First of all, we have to check common elements. We have to identify that which elements are common in both set A and B. So 3 is common in both sets, color it, and also we have 4 common in both sets, and after that we have 7 in both sets, and after 7 we have 10 that is common in both sets. So you can see that we have these common elements. So simple meaning is that we have to remove these common elements from set A, because difference means we have to write all the elements that are in set A but not in set B. So these elements 3, 4, 7 and 10 are present in set B. So we have to remove this and we have to write remaining elements 1, 2 and 8. That is called difference of A and B. So write 1, 2 and 8.